Right now, we're offering virtual programs like story times, gaming on Discord, and book clubs, and they're all accessible from our website. So here's where you can find them and sign up. Here we are at fresnolibrary.org, and if we scroll down to fall activities, it will take us to the calendar of events for different age groups. If we go to kids, we can see all of the events for babies up through elementary school age kids and family events. Some of these you don't need to register for, but if it has this banner with how many seats there are available, that means you have to register. So if we click on here, all you have to do is click Begin Registration and enter your name and email address. Then when you click register, you'll be emailed a link to join the event on Zoom. So I'm going to go over to my email here. And when it's time to join the event, you can just click on your email, and this will lead you to the link to the event. And all you have to do is click on this link to join. It's going to ask you for a password, which is listed right after the event. So we'll click on this and click Open Zoom. Now, if you don't have Zoom on your device or you've never used it before, it's going to ask you to install the Zoom client. So go ahead and follow the directions to do that and then run it. And when you click Open Zoom, it'll ask you for that meeting password in order to join, and then it'll take you right into the event. So that's how you join. And if you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 600-READ, or you can go to our website and go to Ask a Librarian. And this gives you different ways you can reach us by email or otherwise. Enjoy!